Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be setting up the week of May 2nd through the 8th in my vertical planner that I use for wellness and fitness. So the theme I'm going with is actually from the Facebook group that I'm an admin of, Happy Planning Tips and Tricks. And one of our options for this week was Love Mom, because it's Sunday is Mother's Day, and I actually just got off the phone with my mom. We're planning a trip for next summer. I haven't seen them since pre-COVID, so with me living in Seattle and them living down in Florida, you really couldn't get any further apart than than that within the contiguous United States. So it's time. I miss them. I haven't seen them. So, but every year I do a Mother's Day spread and a Father's Day spread, usually in my wellness planner. And my mom they're both retired. My mom is a crafter, so last year I did some crafting stuff, but this year I'm going to change it up. Her favorite color is yellow, which I have to say yellow is one of my least favorite colors, so I don't use it very often. So a spread for Mom is a great opportunity. So I have the yellow book out of the Live Love Posh Rainbow Edit set, and I was flipping through just to see if something caught my eye, and I don't know why, it's just easier to flip from the back to the front like this. And so I got to the very first page and these lemons were here. And one thing, well, my mom and I have a lot in common. I love my mom, but we both love lemons. I am for sure bitter blind, so I can't taste bitter, and I suspect since we have a lot of the same quirky likes and dislikes food-wise, I suspect she probably is as well. So, but we both love sour stuff. We both love lemons. So I'm gonna use these stickers with the yellow and the green. I'm definitely gonna play up the yellow and then write in green, because it's a lot easier to get a good green pen, green ink to show up than it is to get yellow to show up. So we're going to use these, and then of course I've pulled a bunch of stuff to go with them. I already have my my stickers pulled for my prompts. I will link in the cards up above a video on how I make these, but this just turns any vertical into a the original Happy Planner Wellness and Fitness. So I have this new Girl Boss Anna overlay tape roll. These came from the rainbow set that was just new in the shop. So I'm going to put these over the words so that can be my decoration on the side there. We'll grab one more for how I was kinder this week, which is the rotating prompt this week. There we go. All right. So there are also then some functional stickers in here. There are, I need boxes. My workouts are Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. So I need 4 of the small boxes. And I figured I could use these for my food diary. They've got 5 bullet points, but if I cover one of them up with a workout box, that's fine too. It just gives me an extra snack. And then I can cut them off to make room for my hydration stickers. So let's go ahead and grab these. 7 of those. And then, like I said, since I'm doing a lot in yellow, I will use a green pen for doing all the writing on the spread to help balance all the yellow, since there's green in the florals I'm going to use, the lemon florals. So let's see, I need to find the small boxes. I need 4 Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. Here we go. I'm just going to stick with this middle shade of yellow. There really is almost everything in this sticker book. So, all right. So let's go ahead, and I also pulled, aside from the overlay tapes, I also pulled this yellow Simply Gilded washi with it's got some hollow gold and some regular gold foil on it. And I did pull these bullet points, but after I pulled them, I realized there's no green, and there is a lot of brownish orange, so I'm not going to use those. I'm definitely going to use these. I have let's see, my scale stickers that you can't get these anymore, so Wilson Wild doesn't make them anymore. I did use all the hydration stickers that matched with these, but I still have a lot of the scales left, so I'm going to use one of these for my weigh-in. Their kiss cut a little deep. There we go. All right, I ripped my page getting out of my planner, so we're going to have to use stickers to help cover that up. I can tape it on this side because I write less on the monthly view, but anyway. So I haven't stuck anything on yet because I'm not really sure yet. I was thinking, I wonder if I can get one of these overlay tapes to lay just right so that it covers keto but leaves the circles. Let's try that this week. I'm always trying new stuff, keeping it fresh. So let's, yeah, that works. And all I do is draw a smiley face or a frowny face. So let's go ahead and start with the sidebar. Just going to put keto right up here next to May. So there is green. It's kind of like an olive green on the page. And that's okay. That'll definitely work with this color scheme. So, all right. And then we'll just put this open-ended journaling prompt down here. How I was kinder this week. And that is totally up to your interpretation. And then we'll go up from the bottom. I don't really have any long quotes or anything for across the bottom. I don't know what I'm going to do down there yet. So I want to work in that washi tape. I just haven't figured out how yet. So watching, what are we watching? We've been watching Boba Fett, waiting on the new season of The Mandalorian, and we've been watching Jeopardy. We made it to Christmas 2021 on Jeopardy. And then for feeling, since I don't have any books really with a lot of words pulled, I will just handwrite whatever grabs me on Monday when I start on this spread. We've been listening to the birds, so we've had a couple sunny days here in the Pacific Northwest. Spring is finally starting to happen here, and the birds have been going bonkers. This week is light enough, I'm just going to ignore it. If I don't acknowledge that it's there, it won't bother me. Reading, I am on the second CJ Tudor book. It's called The Hiding Place. It's really good. It sucked me right in. So, and then again, same thing with positive word. I will just come up with something. So there we go. So now I have maximum amount of space there. So it's very, very yellow, especially for someone like me who yellow is far from my favorite color, but I'm going to have green, green, green. So that's going to help a lot. All right. Let's see. So for hydration stickers, I just pulled these generic Planner Kate ones. Again, I will fill these in with green. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in my center set of boxes. So for that, I just do food diary, workout, and hydration. So I'm going to, let's see how this works. I'm just going to put one of these on. And they are sized, of course, for the classic size vertical happy planner. And then I said Monday was a workout day. So I'm just going to overlay this with that one of those dots. There we go. And so there I have food diary. I have breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack is what works for me. And then let's see what it looks like if I just lay one of these hydration stickers right over the top. Yeah, that fits. That's just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up while I fill out the last 6 days of the week, and then I will be back. All right, I do need to put still my journaling prompts on, but I was thinking I would go ahead and use some of this, put a strip of this washi tape across there to break up the white of these and the white of these, and also just to work some of this washi tape in. Plus, I don't mind giving up a little bit of my journaling space because I have not been journaling as much lately. So let's go ahead and do that. Perfect. All right, got some washi tape worked in. Let's put these on. I'm gonna put them like partly on the bottom edge of the washi tape just because I've mentioned this before, washi tape has a coating on it to keep it from sticking to itself. And because of that coating, stickers don't like to stick to it very well. So anytime you can put a sticker partially off the edge of your washi tape, you're going to find you're going to have much better long-term results. The stickers will stay a lot better that way. So there we go. Just shortened my journaling space a tiny little bit, and I'm totally fine with that, like I said. So, all right. I did pull a quote sticker book. I have the Holiday Quotes and Boxes by Amber Plans Her Day, because it goes basically through the entire year. So we've got some dad quotes, we've got some mom quotes. So I want to use one of these. I think the nice black clear quote is going to show up really nicely over these lighter colored stickers. So loving, strong, selfless mom, tough as a mother. I think I like this one. So let's go ahead and figure out, I don't know that I'm going to necessarily put on a weekend banner. We'll see. And then I do want to be sensitive to the direction of the gravity is taking on the lemons. So, and I love, one of the things I haven't done in a while that I love to do is take a big sticker and split it across the spine. So maybe we'll do that with this one. This is about the biggest one there is here. So I'm going to put my wax paper back out here. And let's see. So if I put this, so if I kind of divide it so that there's a lemon on either side, because I don't want to go all the way to the spine and have to punch it. I want to keep them pretty much within the confines of the boxes. I can put that one there. And then that'll put this lemon completely over here. That works. What else we got? Can't decide, should this one go this way or, and then that one looks a little bit big, but it's light enough I feel like it could cover up Sunday. Let's just play with some of these. So they are very thin and delicate, which is a good thing. It just makes them a little bit hard to get off the page. But it's worth it because they're so thin that then they really just blend pretty seamlessly with your spread. So I'm thinking I want to go ahead and let this curl right up around Sunday. Yeah. Oh, I like that. I do kind of like, I guess I could turn it, maybe I'll turn it all the way up so that this kind of goes up between Saturday and Sunday, and that makes a nice corner piece. Yeah, yep, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. The nice thing about using wax paper is that a little tiny bit of the wax sticks to the sticker, so it makes it stick a little bit less, and it makes it easier to peel up and reposition should you need to. So that's good. I like that. Just trim that little bit. All right, and then let's go ahead and cut this one. So I'm just gonna freehand cut it. And what I'm gonna do is what you need to do. Okay, first I gotta get it off there. Grab some nice big scissors so that you can get your entire cut in one go. Align where you want to cut, what direction you want to go in. So I know I want to divide right in between this leaf and this lemon. Pick your direction. It keeps curling up, so it's hard for you guys to see, but pick your direction and then do one quick, clean, decisive cut, and you're going to be much more likely to get a nice straight edge than if you try really hard and go super slow. You're going to waver a little bit and be less likely to get a nice straight cut. So then I can put a nice black quote right there. I might use two. Might end up using two quotes. And I definitely want something else right here. Maybe something a little smaller, like this single. Yeah, let's get that off of there and see. Or this one with the cut pieces of lemon. Let's do that one. It's almost sun tea season. I love to make sun tea to sip at during the day. But you gotta have sun to do that, so I think I kind of want to turn it like this. So again, let's slide it kind of up. Well, I'm going to use my wax paper because I don't want to mess this up. So let's see here. Oh yeah, I can slide it right up. Yep, right up in there. Perfect. Oh, I love it. I love it. Okay, so that's enough of these graphics, unless I want to put something down here, but I'm not sure I do. All right. Loving, strong, selfless mom. I definitely want to use that one. A mother is your first friend, your best friend, your forever friend. I like that one too. All right. I like the way these are just going to lay right over top of... I don't want to use them all. I want to save some for future. So let's do this one here. Oh, I love the way that looks over top of those floral stickers. So let's use this one. Let's just put this one right here. That might be about all it needs. I kind of wanted to do something else down here. So I have pulled a couple other sticker books, just super bright sticker books that had some yellow stuff in them. See if there's anything I can find maybe for down here. So I'm just looking at the yellow ones because there's nothing this right shade of green. They're too teal colored. Plan your dreams. So this is more teal again, but definitely don't want the pink. All right, what about this one? Happy Life had some yellow. I could just put some yellow stars down here. These are great stickers for wellness, because they're very self-affirming, you know. I am doing my best. I accept myself. I am ever evolving. All right, well, unfortunately, I struck out a bunch there, unless I just want to put some of the... Maybe I'll just put these down there, these two with the stars. I think I'll just do that. I just want something down there. So we'll put the longer one centered under the 4-star column, or the 4 columns, there's stars, subliminal, there we go. And then we'll put the shorter one centered over here under the 3. There we go. All right, so it's a lot of yellow, but if this is all full of green writing, this is full of green writing, this is full of green writing, it's definitely going to be much more balanced after the pen. So let me put it in my planner. There we go. There is my lemon yellow spread for Mom. Celebrate my mother. For those of you, maybe your mom is not in your life anymore, or maybe you celebrate that you are a mom. I had a question recently about mom and how to pay tribute, or just not feeling like planning because of missing your loved one. And you know, my thought was, and my response was, and it helped this person, was think of your loved one's favorite color, or their favorite activity, or favorite place, and do a spread about that, so that you can think happy thoughts and kind of pay homage to that person in that way. So anyway, enough about that. I hope you like this video. I hope it encourages you to take the happy memories and the happy parts of life and build a spread you can enjoy around that. If it does, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.